everybody, it's A here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beet salad. So I have here some arugula, some Italian dressing. You can use something like a zesty Italian dressing. I have roasted beets, some goat cheese, and then some walnuts. Now, roasted beets, I roasted it in the oven for 350 degrees at about 30 minutes. If you like roasted, that's great. The flavors are more delicious that way and sweeter. But if you prefer boiling the beets, that's up to you as well. Now let's get plating. Here I have some arugula. It's about for one person's portion. So we're gonna add in some Italian salad dressing just to season it a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Now this roasted beet salad is a delicious salad that I had at one of the restaurants called Seasons 52 when my husband and I lived up in Maryland. I never cooked beets at home because I was intimidated by cooking them. I did not know how to cook it, but I finally figured it out. But before learning how to make them, I only got to enjoy the beets when I go to a restaurant. Let's put all the salad in the middle. And then I have these lovely roasted beets. We're gonna just add it to the salad. And now I'm gonna add the goat cheese. I have goat cheese with herbs. I'll just plop the goat cheese into the salad here and there. And then I'm gonna add the walnuts. There you have it, beet salad with arugula, goat cheese, and walnuts. Enjoy.